Hello everyone, it's Peter here, how are you guys? Hello. So, I'll make it, hopefully it's not too loud for you, but I'll make it even further down. That should be China delivery. If it is, we will continue video. If it's not, I'll stop and I won't post it. So it is. Okay. 5-in-1 precision electric screwdriver set, smoke gray. Okay. That's what it is. Let me open it. It was less than 20 pounds on Aliexpress, so not buying it wouldn't be a good idea. I wouldn't buy it if it would be dear. Oh, you've got USB-C connector here. Nice. Good, because I've got always USB-C here on the universal charger. And you get a magnetizer as well, which is another magnetizer, but that's okay. Then in this sleeve, I wanted to record this video because I've got some repairs, estimates, and meetings with potential new apprentice at 5 p.m. today. So if I won't do it now, I might not have time later, and I wanted to do it. Okay, so it is like this. Oh, okay. So it is like this. But if you want to open it, you've got to click. Okay, that's good. So these are tips. Okay, so here is just the pin, and you've got long ones and you've got short ones. Oh, it's easy to take out and it's magnetized, so that's nice. They are the same size what we have those, I think, so they would be interchangeable. That's the case. Aye, good. So those whole sets, this and this, those are the same sets. Very nice. Those you can buy on eBay, Aliexpress, everywhere. Cheapest chips as well. And then you've got those. It's nice that they are magnetized because they hold well. And this has a wee hole here, so it's stuck inside. Okay, well thought through. I would say, you know, like for the amount. Oh, get light. Ooh. Okay. I've seen it at other people and YouTube channels, and I said I won't be buying it, you know, like for bigger jobs we've got accu drills, you know, and so on. For smaller ones we don't need, yes. But I said to myself, well, I've seen them for like 30 quid, and that's why I said, you know, like I won't be paying 30 pounds, you know, for a bit of plastic and this. I'm not saying it's bad, I'm just saying, you know, the work volume we have here, it's not that worth. So let me go to Aliexpress, because I already know what it's capable of roughly. You can do game consoles, you can do laptops, you can do tablets and phones, but you will struggle with TVs. That's for sure. Okay, I've got it. I paid 1866. I'll share the screen with you. Okay, so you see here 1866 for it. 15 something 30. Wow, it's even cheaper now. Look, 5 days delivery, even cheaper than it was. I can say it's worth the money. I'm not sponsoring, or I don't have, you know, any affiliate link for you, but you can just go and buy from the Go Forest store. Don't know if you cannot see probably the, yeah, I have to take it down so that you can see. Oh, now you can see Go Forest store. That's where I bought it, you know, and now it's even cheaper. Now if I would like to buy it, how much it will be to pay? 1641 exactly. So, you know, it's super cheap, and I would say that it's worth spending money on, because when I've seen it for like 30 pounds, still light on. How long the light will be on after that? That's the question, because, you know, what is the point? Anyways, you've got quite a few of those tips here, longer and shorter. I don't see the free side ones. No. Oh, there are. Oh no, that's the, yeah, here. Okay, so the Nintendo Switch one is as well, so you can do Nintendo Switch. Aye, it is 1, 1, 2, 3. So yes, you can do Nintendo Switch with it. Oh, hold on a wee second. Yeah, bigger one and the smaller one. So in this case, it's really universal one. And will our ones hold inside them as well? Because that's metal, so it has to hold. So when you will damage, let's say, or somebody will damage for you, at least you can replace it with something else. It might not have the same color, but at least it will work. So that's nice. And 50 of them, it's like a lot. You can always interchange with your ones if you've got something which you use more. I would say for the money, yes, definitely worth it. I know because one of our team has it, so I know what it's capable of, and that's why I say, you know, like 30 pounds, it's still not bad, you know, if you do a lot of jobs. But now for 18 or 16 pounds, it's more than worth. So if you want to grab a bargain, I would go to Aliexpress. It's an anniversary sale now, and it's worth buying over there at the moment because you've got great promotions on many products. I bought a lot of stuff. I bought those tweezers now much cheaper because I paid like £8 or something for them without promotion. Now I bought for £3 one. So, and they are really great as well. So I would say not using the occasion now when you can, when the promotions are great, you'll go buy later in a worse price. So you can do what you want, but if you want to save, now is the time. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you see a value in this video, and I would be able to test it on something, but we've got old VCR which customer brought in. I haven't looked to this one yet. What do we have here? PH1, PH2, something like that. So let's do the bigger one. So I do believe that it can struggle, okay, with this screw. Alright, but if you push with your hand, it can go, and then it's going. You see? So it's okay. So the good thing is that it doesn't crack. Oh, and then you can do a bit more with your hand. So I would say it's good because you can help it to unscrew it and then do the rest on the electric one. And if this would have like a crackling noise or something, you would see that it won't last for a long time because it will break quickly. So I like it, and the packaging is quite nice as well. Only I need to see like how to charge it, how not to charge it, because I don't know how long it charge. I think it's about 40 minutes to full charge, and I want to run the battery down, then charge it, see if it's 40 minutes for real, and then when I will do it, I will see how long for real it will hold. Yes, or half an hour charge, something like that. Guys, that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If possible, leave us a like button. Would even help more, it's commenting down under video, but I don't know if you want to comment anything. Thank you guys. Bye bye.